Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you what are the Python mathematical functions part 1 and their explanation. Let's go to the practice. So here Python builds in math functions. First of all, we will do the min max function can be used to find the lowest or the highest value in the iterable or in this Python programming language. Here we have suppose that x variable which hold the mean value is variable is this, and y variable is carry this value. So if we print, it will print the first x, which value, this is mean, that means the minimum value in this row, which is 5. Next y, the max means maximum value in this row, so it will print the 25 answer. See this. Next, the ABS bracket function, that means the absolute positive value of the specific number. If we declare mid of this big program or big software building site, so if we wanna specify the value which is either positive or negative, if they have negative, then we will do the absolute function returns, which have written this way. See here a minus sign, but we include the keywords where is ABS, that means the absolute functions. Next, the power functions will return the value of x to the power of y. That means x is the power of y. How? So we have to write the pow, P-O-E-W means powers, keywords that will define or explain the power of y, which will reveal this 64. That means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. See, this will reveal the 64 value. Run. Now the permutation. How? Is keyword is PERM. We know this, what is that, and the import math, and we suppose the n which is carry 7 value, k carry the 5 value. If we declare the perm, that means permutation, and it will reveal this. See this. Again we will do the 3 or 4. See, it will show the next value. So thank you so much for watching this video. This video have also and next upcoming part I will reveal the later. So if this is helpful, obviously subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.